Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add live chat in Wix website. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. So first we are going to add chat app. On left side you see add app. So click on it. So we are in Wix app market. So we are going to add Wix chat. Now you see Wix chat. So first we are going to install this app. So click on it. So this is our Wix chat by Wix. Now you see, and then you see add to site. So click on it. Now adding Wix chat. Now you see chat edit. Let's chat. On left side you see add element. So click on it, and then you see contact and form. So in contact and form you see chat. If we delete this, now delete it. On left side you see add element, so click on it, and then we are in contact and form, and then you see chat, Wix chat. You see two options, so you can drag and drop here like this. Now you see adding Wix chat again. So live chat added, so click on it. Now you see setting, open inbox, so click on setting, and then you see multiple options. So we are in main, and then you see manage chat, open inbox, so click on manage chat. So this Wix chat also display on both desktop and mobile layout. So we are in setting, communication channel chat. Now you see general channel. If you want, you can set chat or. Now you see enable chat or. So you can add Monday, Tuesday, day time. So it's up to you. And then you see pre-chat form. And then you see choose form field, name, email, phone number. So you can select according to requirement. So this is our preview. Now you see. So when we select message, now you see message edit. Collect contact info with the form, so you can get back to visitor. And then you see set offline form. When do visitors see this form? Once they open the chat. If you want, you can make form mandatory, so we enable this option. If you want, you can select this option after they send a message or never, so it's up to you. And then you see intro message. To send us a message, first leave your contact info, and then you see success message, so you can add custom message according to requirement. And then you see set online form. When do visitors see the online form? Once they open the chat after they send a message. So you can select option according to requirement, and you can add intro message and success message for online form. If you want, you can add frequently asked question button to your chat. Now you see answer, and then you see button get started. So click on it, and then you can add. So it's up to you. And then you see sender identity business. You see multiple option. No sender identity. If you want, you can select business recommended. Now you see web task. So when we message to visitor, then this display web task. And then you see let login member chat with each other on your site. So if you want to enable this option, your site must have a community that member can join. So you can do setting according to requirement, and then click on save changes. Now you see changes saved. Now close, and then you see open inbox, so click on it. So we are in inbox, and then you see visitor message. So when customer message, then you can reply from here. Now you see we are in inbox, so click on it. Now you see hello message, form sent via chat. So you can communicate with customer from here inbox. Now close, and then you see quick action, set up email notification. So when you receive message from customer, then you will receive email also. Now you see email notification, send notification to your email. If you want, you can disable or enable according to requirement. So it's up to you. And then click on email. Now close it. And then you see schedule online chat or. So you already know how to set it. Chat on the Wix app. Now you see display. Bottom left, right. Now you see right. And then you see new message display. How new message appear to visitor. Auto open chat on desktop. Show your site chat box on all pages we set. So this chat box display on all pages. Now you see design. So you can add your logo. So you can do setting, styling according to requirement. Now you see all background color, display chat icon. Now you see text. Write your message, business or website name, display response time on chat header. Now you see. When you are online, let's chat message. When you are offline, contact us. So you can add text according to your requirement. Now you see, and then you see chat form, and then you see manage pre-chat form. So click on it. So we are in again general chat setting. You already know this, how to set offline form, online form. Now close, and then you see notification. Now you see, if you want, you can add email, automation, manage automation. So click on it. So we are in automation, and then you see multiple option. Greet new visitor with the chat message. So click on setup automation. Now you see visitor on site. So click on it. Now you see trigger once per person. You see select the person from the trigger data, visitor ID. Trigger once per person every 1 day. So you can set day according to requirement. Now you see send a chat message. Send this message only when I am online to chat. If you want, you can enable or disable this. Hi there, welcome to the site. Let me know if you have any question, and then click on apply, and then click on activate. Now you see saving. So click on activate. Now done. Automation is now active. Go to automation again. So we are in automation, and then you see created by you. Show one active, one draft. Auto reply to chat messages. Set up automation. Now you see inbox and chat. So click on it. Again you see same contact ID, and then you see send a chat message, and then you see message. Thanks for reaching out. We will be right with you. If you want, you can display this message for both online offline, but now enable. So send this message only when I am online to chat. So disable and apply, and then click on activate. Now saving. Now automation is created. So click on it. So you can create multiple automation according to requirement. So it's up to you. Now close, and then you see channel. So click on it. Add channel to your chat box. So click on manage channel. So we are in setting, communication channel and chat. Now you see channels. WhatsApp. Let visitor contact you via WhatsApp. Enable. So you can add your number and you can add your message. So this is a preview. So you can do setting according to requirement, and then click on save changes. Now close. So this chat box display on desktop and mobile layout both. So you can do setting according to requirement. So you can set color scheme, text. So you can set automation also. Now you see chat form. Then you see text, design, display, main. Now close. Now you see let's chat. And if you want, you can change this message, let's chat. So click on it, and then click on setting again. And then you see text. So click on it. So you can set message when you are online, let's chat. When you are offline, contact us. So it's up to you. Now close, and then click on publish. Now publish done. So this chat box will appear on whole website, all pages. Now go to page and refresh the page, and then you see let's chat button. So click on it. Now you see message. We will reply as soon as we can. Now message hello. Now send. Now open this link in private window. Now you see message web task. Hi there, welcome to the site. Let me know if you have any question. So this is our automation we set. Now you see thanks for reaching out. So you can set automation according to requirement. Again you see button. So click on it. Now you see message. So this is our form. So this is our automation. Now send message again. So this form will appear when customer message. Again you see message. So this is our automation we set. So you can do setting according to requirement. So you can add frequently asked question also. So you can set automation. And also if you want, you can capture user information. You can show user form. So user can fill the form, add information, and then click on submit. And you will receive user information on your email address, also in inbox. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.